What's up? Starting off great. What's up? It's your boy Amateur Pro Home Chef Nathaniel Levinson. Today we're gonna be making a smash burger. Rolling. It's live. Hey now, it's a burger. Put some toppings on. It's tasty. Anyways, all you're gonna need for the burger part is some beef. Now you can start with ground beef, or you can grind your own like I'm going to do. If you grind your own, I recommend getting a fattier thing like a chuck chuck or brisket or something like that. And if you get pre-ground beef, which I imagine most people will, 80-20. So 80 lean, 20 fat, does for making good burgers. Even 70-30 would be really good too, but don't go less fat than 20%, or you're gonna have a dry burger, okay? If you wanna construct the burger like we're going to, you're gonna need mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, pickles, Worcestershire sauce for the fry sauce, and you're gonna need a bun, and also some cheese of your choice to put on top, and an onion. So without further ado, let's make some burgers. The advantage of grinding your own beef, because you know exactly how fresh it is, you can cook the burger like a little rarer than you might cook a burger made from pre-ground beef. Although, since we're doing a smash burger, it doesn't matter quite as much, right? So, I just so happen to have this big old honkin' grinder. You can also get a hand crank grinder. You can do this in a food processor. I know KitchenAid mixers have an attachment you can like plug into the top, and then you run it and it grinds the meat. So there's like a lot of different ways you can do this. I think mostly most people have a food processor, so you can do this in a food processor. So what you'll do is you'll put it in the food processor and then tap the pulse button until you get the consistency you want. One thing for all of these methods is you want to start with cold beef because you don't want the fat to melt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our beef, and this is a chuck roast, and we're just going to cut it into like 1-inch cubes. So this thing, just press the button. It's got forward and reverse. I don't know what reverse is for. Maybe if it gets clogged, you can pull something back out. So I'm gonna put my bowl under here to catch, and I'm just gonna start feeding my beef in. And there you go. We have our lovely, fresh ground beef. I'm just gonna take a handful, kind of form it into a ball, so it binds, and then plop it on my sheet. Do the same thing. Try to get, roughly the same amount. All right, we got our burgers, time to cook them. So the second way I wanna make the smash burger is a little technique where we have raw onion and we smash it into the smash burger front side down. So you get kind of like a charred, raw, oniony thing going in your burger that's just amazing. So the first thing we wanna do is slice an onion nice and thin. In this case, because I want nice slivers of onion, I'm going to cut perpendicular to the root axis. So I'm gonna cut them real, like paper thin slices. Beautiful, so like nice little shoestring kind of slivers of onion. You're going to have your griddle over medium-high heat. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna place our patty in the middle of the frying pan and just smush it down. And we're just gonna let that cook, and we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna smash it down again. We're gonna do about 3-4 minutes each side, or until they start to look nice and caramelized. They might stick a little bit, that's okay. If you're finding you're having issues with sticking, you can leave a little oil in there. But there should be enough fat that they don't really need it. Now for our second burger, we're gonna put our patty in. And we're going to load a bunch of onions on top of it. We're going to press those onions into our smash burger. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want to see. Good char there. Kind of fell apart on me there. All right, our burgers are cooked, so let's assemble them. We're gonna keep it real simple. So we got a nice toasted bun. I didn't have time to make my own buns, but if you can, it'd be better if you made your own buns like we did that one time. But do what you can, right? Nice toasted bun, butter on both sides, put it on a hot pan, toast it, right? It's always better. I'm gonna start with fry sauce. We've made fry sauce before. Equal parts, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, some chopped pickles, and some nice cracked black pepper. Good slathering of that. We have our burger, plain burger up here, onion burger down here. Right, gonna put on some cheese, right? I've got cheddar cheese. You can use whatever kind you like. There's no wrong answer when it comes to cheese on a burger. And then of course, we're gonna hit it with just a little more sauce on top. You could add pickles, you could add onions, you could add lettuce, tomato, whatever you feel like adding. You throw it on here and that's a good burger. But I'm keeping it simple just to kind of emphasize the burger. All right, so those are our two smash burgers. So this is plain Jane. Looking good, a little bit of pink in there. Somewhat uneven, but that doesn't matter. It's super simple. It tastes super fresh. It's just a nice, clean burger. Really good. Now, with the onion, the onion flavor just kind of permeates every bite, and it really elevates it to the next level. That's a winning burger. I mean, any day of the week, knocks it out of the park. And the beauty about burgers is they're incredibly versatile. You put whatever you want on, right? Onions, tomato, lettuce, Gouda, avocado, right? Sky's the limit as far as what you want to put on your burger. But starting with grinding your own meat, simple burger, just beef and salt, really is the best way to go. It's really a top tier burger. So until next time, I'm your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathaniel Levinson. Hey now, you made a burger.